So, did the latest Sony's LinkBuds Fit make me drop my AirPods? Honestly, yes. They've quietly become my everyday earbuds. Let me show you why.
The Sony LinkBuds Fit are compact and lightweight, weighing approximately 4.8 grams per earbud. They feature a snug in-ear fit, making them comfortable for extended wear. The earbuds support touch controls, adaptive sound control, and quick attention mode, all customizable via the Connect app. The charging case is small and portable, however, the black version tends to attract fingerprints and may scratch if not handled carefully. Audio quality is robust with support for 360-degree reality audio, providing an immersive listening experience when used with compatible streaming services. The earbuds offer active noise cancelling and ambient sound mode, both functioning effectively.
Battery life? Well, Sony claims about 5.5 hours with ANC on. And if you have the case, you're anyways good for a few days.
The Sony Headphones Connect app is user-friendly, offering EQ settings, ANC control, and firmware updates. It also features adaptive sound control, adjusting settings based on your activity. The earbuds support voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. On iOS, however, Siri integration works smoothly. Microphone quality is adequate for calls, ensuring clear communication. So, in daily use, the LinkBuds Fit stand out for their comfort and reliable performance. They handle music playback and calls efficiently, however, the black case requires cleaning to maintain its appearance.
So yeah, these really did replace my AirPods. If you are looking for lightweight earbuds with solid ANC and smart features, these are worth a serious look.